Saudi Arabia, the land of oil and deserts, is cooking up the mega of all mega projects, Neom. I guess you've heard about this, but if not, this video has got you covered. Located right on the sandy shores of the Red Sea in the northwest of Saudi Arabia, trust me, this ain't just another sand castle. You know what's major? It's a colossal creation of 16 proposed neighborhoods spreading over 26,500 square kilometers. That's almost like fitting in a whole Belgium. And no, I'm not talking about waffles here. Ever wondered how in the world engineers are pulling off this city that's supposed to fit a whopping 9 million people? Or maybe you're curious about the insane facilities this place is going to offer? Let's dive in and find out. The first question to ask is, how expensive is this city? Well, it has a grand price tag of $500 billion, and that cash is coming from the Saudi government and some private investors who are all in for this incredible journey. Back in 2017, Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman had the brilliant idea to kickstart this project. Neom is a special economic zone that demands its own space, separate from the rest of Saudi Arabia. It's got its own tax system, labor laws, and even its own judicial system. Plus, it got sustainability pumped into its DNA. We're talking about 100% renewable energy, zero carbon emissions, and even a circular economy. You can say it's like a whole new world out of its 10 special zones. We know the info about 4 of them: the Line, Oxyon, Trojena, and Sindalah. The Line deserves a spotlight of its own. It is a stretch of land more than 100 miles long, cutting through deserts and hills. This will be a city on a diet. No cars allowed. Instead of the usual traffic chaos, you can skate, bike, or simply walk your way around. And get this, there are these crazy tall buildings covered in mirrors. They're like giants, 500 meters high and wide like a football field. Now let's talk about convenience. Picture having everything you need within a 5-minute walk. Coffee craving? Bam, sorted. Need groceries? Easy peasy. The best part? Neom's all about being green. It is a place that runs on clean energy, fighting climate change like a pro. Elon Musk, this is for you. This megacity will cover a lab for biotech, robots, and AIs, all working together to change the world. Oh, and did I mention flying taxis and robot maids to lend a helping hand? Actually, I want to go there. Okay, enough. Engineers even offered a glimpse of ongoing work at the site with drone footage of the Line in 2022. Have a look at it. Now, get ready to mark your calendars, because the Line is set to welcome its first explorers in 2024. This linear wonderland is prepped to host about 3 million people, creating a bustling community that's anything but ordinary. There, you'll find the perfect climate all year round. No more sweating or freezing. And here's the cool part: a super-fast train that drops you across in just 20 minutes. Now say hello to the second zone, Oxyon. Situated in the southern part of Neom along the Red Sea, it is designed as an octagon-shaped port city. Guessable, right? This ambitious project aims to create the world's largest floating structure, serving as a port and logistics hub. When in the mood to ski, Trojena's got you covered. It's a ski resort snuggled in the Sarwat Mountains. Covering an area of 60 square kilometers, this year-round destination will offer skiing and various outdoor activities. Notably, Trojena has been selected to host the Asian Winter Games in 2029, highlighting its potential as a world-class winter sports venue. Now, let's set sail for Sindalah, spanning 840,000 square meters. It is designed to cater to the yachting community and will feature an 86-berth marina and multiple high-end hotels. But, you know what's got everyone talking? Its super cool idea of building gigantic glass walls spanning over 170 kilometers. These walls will not only protect from the desert's harshness, but also give you front-row seats to stunning views. But, and it's a big but, here's a catch. The feasibility of building such extensive glass walls raises several concerns. Firstly, the scale of construction required for a project of this magnitude is unprecedented. The engineering challenges of constructing, installing, and maintaining glass panels on such a colossal scale are immense. Moreover, glass, being a fragile material, would need to be fortified to withstand the harsh conditions, including intense heat, high winds, and blowing sand. So to achieve the desired goals of Neom, let's think outside the glass box. What if we could mix in some high-tech wizardry and innovative designs? Imagine a protective barrier made of super strong materials, maybe even using nanotechnology. It could brave the elements while giving those breathtaking views. But we don't know what will happen. Which material will the engineers find suitable? The only thing we know is that by 2030, Neom's engineers want most of this wild plan done and dusted.